I am so excited that we are bringing back Girls Rule, Ignite Your Superpower again this year. You know, we started this 3 years ago, and it was really all about empowering our young women and helping them, right? Lending a hand and bringing them up as we go along. And I think as women, we need to do that. We need to reach back and give them a hand and help them to get to where we are today, right? Or at least to give them the confidence to know that they can do anything that they choose to do. So, superpowers, let's see. So the last couple of years, I shared my superpower of my crew, because without them, I don't know where I would be. I shared my relentless passion. When I am passionate about something, watch out. I will not take no for an answer. I am going for it. This year, I think I want to talk about my superpower of authenticity and vulnerability. I think that when we're younger, sometimes we think that it's not okay to be ourselves, and it's not okay to fail or to say we're scared or frightened. And I think that my authenticity, maybe that comes from being a little bit of a New Yorker, but I am who I am. I will show you who I am. I am transparent about who I am. And I don't try to be something that I'm not. So you will get to know the real me. I don't hide it from anyone. And if you like it, great. And if you don't, well, that's okay too. And you come to realize that as you get older, that not everybody is going to like us or be our friend. And that's okay. So my superpowers, again, authenticity, be real, be you, do you. And then of course, be vulnerable, be open about your fears, about your doubts, because inevitably somebody there will be there for you and to pick you up and hold you up. Ignite your superpowers. See you at Girls Rule.